Abigail Segui with a drop shot. Diving in was Julia Balingit. From the pipe, Angge Poyos, no problem. Poyos, Segui unable to take off. Balingit does, and she hammers that one through. Play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way, Our Rules. Download the app now.
UST definitely found a gem in Balingit.
Tudao,
Block.
return to sender. Cassie Carvalho, running attack from Marga Altea.
Altea going
I mean, gone are players like Lucille Almonte, Hani Turing, A.A. Adolfo, Karen Velteflor, and leading the way is Shaina Nitura.
Unity Cup. I got to talk to head coach Shaq of the UST Golden Tigresses about their winning streak so far. Sabi nga ni coach kanina, compared to the first, what the players need on their end ay talagang pinag-uusapan within the team. Kenan Gaira?
Thank you so much. There, Manuel, the pass to Sagaysay. Nitura from the back. Diving in was Pepito. Angge Poyos emerging and scoring for UST.
here in the first set.
The spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Pepito will set up Julia Balingit. Abigail Segui was sent back to the friend zone.
Poyos, you can see the press.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken.
Adamson.
Oh, that's a much better executed at
Powerful hit and elevation.
Adamson here. Like you said, they've been much more predictable. He was able to read whatever they want to do. But Angge Poyos with another point for the Golden Tigresses. Also very familiar with each other. Nitura with a drop ball.
Altea asking for it one more time.
Shaina Nitura elevates and detonates.
Nitura with a sharp cross-court.
And si Poyos eh. Yeah, here. Obviously, di naman sadya. He likes. Oh,
Nitura is blocked by Altea.
ganda ng anticipation doon ni Marga Altea. Prompting.
Control.
Nice pass by Juris Manuel. Nitura this time off the block.
Good coverage by Adamson. They go back to Nitura. She's blocked.
Nice coverage though that time. Nitura! Another one! The rejection! This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
And UST knows that
And she gets an ace.
Altea actually quite shocked.
To 5, 19-14. Another sharp serve.
Good save by Manuel. Morty wants to play.
Poyos was there for the retrieval. Saisagula gets it to go.
Saisagula sizing.
Golden Tigresses. Angge Poyos.
Utilizing all her spikers right now. That hit her elevation is.
Morty from the left pin, automatic.
And that's what we've been looking for from.
It's a team effort at the end of the day. You see Meme Coronado almost converting there for UST. Nitura will set up Segui.
And
Segui will
check
score.
ball.
Ito ng Adamson University. Nice serve from Faye Sagaysay. Saisagula with a quick attack.
Perfect pass from Morty. That's still good. It's a chance ball now for the Lady Falcons.
Sagaysay goes back to Tudao. Second time she has scored down the middle.
In this sequence,
Julia Balingit, the hang time, and the finish.
Balingit with that stroke.
From the middle, nice playmaking that time by
To see a lot more from Shai in these types of clutch and crunch times.
Adamson dito. Wahe to Reg Jurado, finishing off the first set.
More of Reg Jurado.
Reg Jurado as UST takes set number 1 over at good serve. Naregaluhan si Lana Barrera.
Back-to-back point.
One of their prize recruits, Lana Barrera, the Filipino-German.
It's a good pass from Red.
Del Moral at the middle. This could be big for Adamson if they could get off to a really strong start. In
Perfect pass.
Hudao once again. Third time is a charm. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way. Our goes down. Faulty reception. Arasan force to just send it over. Red Baston down the line.
Really great to see the former Adamson Baby Falcons now with the Lady Falcons. Now a chance ball again for UST.
Blessing Onekwe converts. This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
Perfect pass. They go to Jurado and she gets that point.
Siya naman ang lumapit. (11-10), 1-point lead. 11-10, 1-point lead for the Golden Time. Manuel. Mordi is up front. And they immediately go to her.
Good serve.
Arazan moves forward. Frances Mordi.
A gift from Mordi. Tries to hit it this time. She's blocked.
Sapienza from the pipe. Shaina Nitura. Poyos one more time. Juris Manuel with a nice dig. As well from Avril Bron. Nice rally.
Great defense from both teams. Mordi hits it home.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Ng UST, 17-16. Gula taking off from the back. Nitura is up front, but is denied once again this time. Nitura goes long. Nice adjustment there from Shai.
Knowing that Nitura is now in the front row. Look at that hit.
Mas na-anticipate.
But also he said that the...
Simply amazing ang Poyos poetry in motion.
What a sight to see.
Can Nitura answer? She will!
From the middle as well.
Super Shy activated. Nitura from the pipe is denied by Avril Bron. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
One good pass muna first, okay? One good.
Frances Mordi launches and scores.
Going above the blockers.
Beat them twice. Poyos from the pipe.
That's good.
Still alive. Diving in was Julia Balingit. Close to the net.
Balingit asks for it, sends it over. That's a check ball.
Frances Mordi. Nice coverage that time by Juris Manuel. Abisegi is denied.
Going on with Adamson is that UST is reading their spikers really well. Kailangan nila ng...
It's in!
A service ace by Siza.
UST faithfuls Mordi, poor read. Wasn't able to get to that. Sets to none. They get set number 2.
Thinking of a program.
Ooh.
But talk about the Adamson program ni Tura.
About bringing Adamson back to the semis after missing out last year, she admitted na, quote, hindi pa rin nga nag-sink in that they actually made it this far. If anything, she's just really grateful and said it all feels like perfect timing, especially now that she's also the SSL ambassador, a platform she says is helping her pull the team closer and boost her confidence even more this season. Kenan Gaira?
2 daw. Sa gitna ulit. Inactivate si Marga Altea naman.
Pass for UST already.
Combination play. A thing of beauty from Adamson.
Establishing their blocks dun kay Mordi and kay Nitura.
Oh, Marga Altea coming out of nowhere. With a nice serve, Cassie Carvalho.
Saiza Gula with a drop ball. That's good. Red gets it.
Cassie. They go to the middle. Avril Braun. Julia Balingit. Sugoy.
Balingit.
Moment, no? For Adamson. Nitura with a nice pass. Angge Poyos. Deflected.
They go to Shai Nitura going through the blockers and that is in down the line. Pag nagsasalita sila, they say tayo, hindi kayo. So
Right.
it's teamwork talaga yung hinahanap nila.
UST, can they capitalize? Angge Poyos. She was denied that time.
That's still good. It's a chance now for UST to convert. Poyos, that set was actually a little too far from the net.
Adamson barely keeping that ball alive. Frances Mordi sending it back.
Mordi with a good block.
Depensa ni Avril Braun. Shaina Nitura. Bumalik ulit sa Adamson. Nitura. One more time is denied.
The blockings of Espanya.
Isa pa. At wala nang nagawa ng Adamson doon. Let's see if they could really find a switch. Julia Balingit. Umatras si Sagaysay. Pinuntaan si Red Baston. Carvalho to Angge Poyos.
Poyos with her 13th point of the match.
Sagaysay. From the pipe ni Tura. Grabe yung depensa ng UST. They're just all over. Frances Mordi hitting Cassie Carvalho immediately.
Wala.
Oh. Balingit.
Balingit once again from the opposite to the drop. This time read well by the blockers of front row. Mordi from the middle. Altea with that solid block.
Just unflappable at the net. The timing, exquisite. Nitura from the pipe.
What a dig by Pepito.
Kanina pa ginagawa ni Det yan. Mordi taps it over.
That's still good. Chance ball now for the Lady Falcons. How will they convert? They go to Red Baston going through the blockers.
Red Baston. Marga Altea with a sharp angle. Frances Mordi was denied again.
That's so good. Red saves it. They go to Mordi. Poyos with a perfect pass. Altea sends it over.
That floor defense impeccable for UST.
Altea once again with that monster block.